In this video, you'll learn how to create a selling account on eBay. By the end of this tutorial, you will have a fully set up account ready for listing your products. To begin, visit the eBay website. If you do not have an account, look for the option to create a new account. You will need to enter your name, email address, and a password. If you already have an account, you can simply log in using your existing credentials. Once you have successfully signed in, navigate to the selling section of the platform. This step is crucial as it will guide you through the necessary procedures to start selling. After entering the selling section, you will need to provide your seller information. This includes your address, contact details, and a payout method. eBay requires you to link a bank account to receive payments from your sales. Ensure that all the information you provide is accurate to prevent any verification issues later on. During this stage, you may also be prompted to confirm your identity, which is an important part of setting up your account for selling activities. Once your seller information is successfully set up, you can start listing your products. Begin by crafting clear and engaging titles for each item you plan to sell. It is essential to write detailed descriptions that accurately represent the product. Additionally, upload high-quality images to give potential buyers a better understanding. Setting a competitive price and selecting appropriate shipping options is also important for attracting buyers. Before you publish your listing, take a moment to review all the details you have entered. Ensure that everything is correct, as this will affect how buyers perceive your listing. After confirming that all aspects of your listing are satisfactory, you can proceed to publish it. Once listed, your item will become visible to buyers searching on eBay, marking an important step towards making sales. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.